If you use all of your favorite celebrity music in your videos, you're going to get a copyright claim. You are getting free music and they are getting the attributes that they deserve. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're definitely most welcome. Please be sure you subscribe to me if you ended up enjoying this video. Also click on the notification bell beside it so you can get notified when I post similar videos like this. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get free copyright free music for your YouTube videos, or if you're a content creator in general, you definitely need copyright free music for whatever content you are creating, especially when you're creating content on YouTube. You definitely do not want to use a music with copyright. You are most likely going to get copyright claim, because again, when you use copyright music in your video, you tend to get flagged by YouTube, which means you will not be getting money on the video at all. Even if you have 1 million views, 10 million views, a billion views, you're definitely not going to be making a cent from that video. And I don't think there's any reason why you want to make a video out there. You want to take your time to create a video or create a content, put it on YouTube, and then you don't get paid when it's time to get paid. So to avoid stuff like that, you want to use copyright free music. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get those kind of music and where to get them from. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. All right, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to go onto your browser or your phone. You need a device to download this music on, and you want to search for a website called Hello. Wow, it's already on my system, hellothematic.com, and you want to click on it. Wow, that's quite fast. Now you want to agree on their private policy, and basically on the top right corner you can see try thematic here, and you want to click on it. Like, it's pretty simple, guys. They have really amazing music on this website, copyright free. The only thing you need to do is that you need to give honor to whom honor is due to by giving them attributes. Simple. I feel like that is a win-win situation, because you are getting free music and they are getting the attributes that they deserve, because they are actually the one providing the music. You do not want to use Beyonce music, you don't want to use Wizkid. If you use all of your favorite celebrity music in your videos, you're going to get a copyright claim on YouTube. Even on Instagram, I feel like when you use this kind of music on Instagram, you tend to get some kind of messages or email that, okay, so this music are not allowed in so places, and you have to like settle a dispute. It has happened to me once or twice, and your videos get taken down. If you are lucky, you can get it restored. If you're not, good for you again. So yeah, back to this. You just want to, if you're not a member, you're not a user, so you want to join for free, you can sign up with Google as well. If you're a music artist, you can sign in, but you want to sign in with your Google account. I'm just going to sign in with another Google account that is not my YouTube account. That way I can show you like what it basically looks like fresh of it. Okay, now it's going to direct to your YouTube account. If you have a YouTube account, it's going to direct to your, it's going to redirect to your YouTube account rather. Yeah. Okay, so it's just basically loading here. Let's check for it to like load. It's taking forever to load. All right, so this is what it looks like when you first try to register on it. And what it does automatically is that if you look at the top right corner, you're going to see that my Google profile picture is already there. So if you are like a part-time creator, a full-time creator, professional editor, or whatever, so you can just click on like full-time creator, because you're a creator, of course. Then next you can just click on any next, discover, download, credit the artist. Basically you just have to discover the music you want to download it, and you want to credit the artist. Guys, it's a win-win situation. It's a win situation for you, it's a win situation for them. You're getting free music and then they're getting the credit they deserve. So next, verify my channel. So here you just have to verify your channel. That way they won't give you like a copyright claim in your video. So you can verify your channel, or you would write your link. So let's go to my verified channel. Okay, so I'm going to use this account as well. This account is not even, doesn't even have any YouTube content on it. So allow, and then it loads. It's taking forever to load, guys. Okay, now it has taken, it will automatically take you to your YouTube channel. As you can see, I have a 0 subscriber, a 0 view. So if you have like videos on your YouTube channel already, it will bring the number of videos and the number of subscribers you have. You can also add more than one YouTube channel to this particular account right here. So since you've already added your YouTube channel, that's all for this, guys. You want to click on next, and you can start free. If you want to opt for their premium service, you can use $8 per month or $5 per month per year. But guys, my loves, you do not need this. So no, thank you very much. Now you have this. As you can see on their own page, you can see people that have used their songs in the video. So whenever you use any music from this particular website on your video automatically get linked to this thing. Is their I forgot what they call this thing, but it's like a CSS code or something that kind of brings your video to their landing page. Yeah, so basically if you want to search for music, just click on search. If you want to do love music, you can just type in love, and you allow it to like do the job for you. Or okay, let's go to discover. Okay, love, good. Now we couldn't find that, so you can just go to featured, and these are the songs they have there. Click on any of it, click, and it plays. No, but this is not my kind of music. I'm just showing you guys how you can actually download music. But if I was to look for like my kind of music, I would come to filter. And again, it also depends on the kind of YouTube video you are editing. So if you want a really cool music, if you want like a cinematic music, a comedy, classical, country, dance and electronic, folk, gospel, hard rock and metal. But what I would normally do is to select like rock, dance and electronics. I don't really do blues, rap and hip hop, R&B, pop, new age. And then for vocal, I do like, sometimes I just mix it. I don't even select anything. But when it comes to tempo, I'm more of like a medium kind of person in music. So I do medium again. And for my mood, if you want like an aggressive kind of music or an angry music, cheerful, chill, cinematic, I like to use cinematic. I like to use dramatic, happy, peaceful. Those are the kind of stuffs I like in my video. If you want to include explicit content, good. So you want to apply the filters, and then it brings you to this page. So what you basically do is that you want to click on it and you want to listen to the kind of music they have. But here it has already taken its time to filter the music they have out. You get what I'm saying? So just by clicking on it, you can hear. So that just by clicking on it, you can hear the music they have, and you are not limited in any way. You can download as much as you like from this particular site, which I think it is really cool. Guys, all you have to do is to give honor to whom honor is due to. Yeah, so this is how to find really cool music. And when you start downloading music, you're going to get like a link to add to your YouTube description details, YouTube description, when you're editing your videos, right? Sometimes in case you forget to add the attributes, the links, they will send you a reminder to your email like, Hi Adeshala, I think you forgot, you missed the link or whatever is the English they had to it. You missed the particular link to something, 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 and then they send it to your email. Most times when I edit and when I'm posting, I always tend, not like I forget, but I do not have the link readily available. So I always chew for them till like the second day or the third day, they'll send me the link and I'll just simply attach it to my YouTube videos. Yeah, so that's basically how you can get free, no copyright music in your videos. Like free music, guys, free music. This is like gold. When I discovered this, I was really, really happy. Yeah. So thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. Just explore the page, explore this website, and you'll be sure to find amazing playlist from here. If you feel like it's a lot of stress, you can check out my previous video. I'm always adding the links to the particular music I use. So if you like the music in my videos, you can just check the links in the description box, click on it, it will redirect you to this website, and then you download. Simple as ABC. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next one. Please be sure you subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I am definitely here to give you amazing content, so please be sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, leave a comment down in the section below. Let me know what you guys would love to see on my channel, as we'll be more than glad to give you all the tips, all the cues, and everything on this channel. So thank you very much. Until next time, until I come your way next time, stay safe, stay fabulous, stay blessed, and bye.